Ever found a long article but no time to read it all? What if you could summarize it instantly with just one tap? Today I will show you how to summarize selected text on Samsung Internet using Writing Assist, and even switch between standard summary and detailed summary. To do so, open any web page in Samsung Internet. Select the text you want to summarize. Tap Writing Assist on the small toolbar that appears. A panel opens. Choose Summarize. You will get a summary result. By default, it's standard summary. To make it more complete, tap the display icon, then select Detail. Below the result, you can also use some available options. Edit to tweak the summary, Translate to translate the summary to another language, Copy to copy the summary to your clipboard, and Share to share the summary to other apps. And that's it, a quick summary for quick understanding. It's super useful for studying, research, or saving time while browsing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.